Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. In today's video, I do want to share with you guys the first few weeks of first grade. It is going to be our 4th year of homeschooling our son. We did go ahead and kind of like start doing school at home back when he was like, I think 3 or 4 years old. It was preschool, then pre-K and kinder, and now first grade. If there's one thing I've learned about our son is that he thrives with routine. So if you kind of like break away from that, it's a little tougher to kind of like get him to sit down or do something, which is why we kind of like to like homeschool year round, even though we are going through like a charter school and technically we only have to homeschool from like August to June. But that's what works best for my son, and we are homeschooling to kind of like work around him and his learning style and everything. So if there's things that I am doing different, it is mainly just for him and catering to him and his needs. If you guys remember any of my planning videos, then you guys know that I have like lists on lists of different things that I kind of like have on hand for him, as well as like things that I want to offer, things I want to do, as well as like our actual curriculum that we're going to be sticking to every day. Our day-to-day is definitely looking a little bit different just because, like I said, we are just getting back into like the mix of things with him. But for the most part, our non-negotiables are like math and language arts, and those are for sure being done like Monday through Thursday. And then on Fridays we do have like a 5th day of math that we do, or sometimes during the week we're able to like do like 2 lessons, so we kind of get everything done by Thursday. And then for language arts, my initial goal was to do an extra logic of English lesson on Fridays, but I decided to just do anything and everything Monday through Thursday. And then Fridays, that's going to be when we're going to be bringing out our like games, whether it be like our love read games or our phonics games or anything like that. We're going to be doing language arts but through games on Fridays. And I tried that this last week just because I was trying to figure out like, are we going to do 5 days, four days? But so far, kind of making those changes seems like it's going to be a good transition. But I'm definitely not going to know like our actual schedule or what's going to stick until we're like probably in week 4, week 5, just because every single day, every week, it looks a little bit different, especially in the beginning. And also with September, the holidays coming in, we have our 4 days regardless of whether you want to or not. So I'm definitely going to see what's going to stick after this, and then I'll give you guys an update on what like our actual final schedule is going to be like. But overall, it is looking like a smooth transition. I know once we get back into like our rhythm and our routine, he's going to be thriving and everything. I'm doing like the same thing that I'm doing for my little one, just at his level. And I just, when he wakes up, he has like his table set up with things just ready to go, whether it be like spelling or building sentences or making silly sentences or words or working on telling a story, things that are going to be like able to help him. That's kind of what his independent activities is going to be all about. If you guys have any questions or any comments or any recommendations for first grade, definitely go ahead and leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.